In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and transform your photos in Canva. We'll go from importing your image to polishing it up and exporting a final file you can share anywhere. All using Canva's built-in tools. Start by opening your design. If you haven't brought your photo in yet, head to the left side panel and click Uploads. Then choose Upload Files. Select your JPG, PNG, WebP, or HEC image from your device. Once it appears in your uploads, click the image to place it on your canvas. With the photo selected, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo to open the editor panel. This is where all the magic happens. Begin with the basics. In the crop area, you can resize your image, crop to a specific ratio for platforms like Instagram or presentations, and rotate to straighten horizons, or create a dynamic angle. Precise cropping helps frame your subject and eliminate distractions at the edges. Next, open the Adjust tab to fine-tune the look. Brightness lifts or darkens the whole image, while contrast increases separation between lights and darks. Saturation intensifies colors. Highlights control the brightest areas, and shadows recover detail in the darker parts. Warmth shifts the color temperature cooler or warmer. Make small, deliberate moves and watch the preview update as you slide. Subtle adjustments often give the most natural results. If you are short on time, try the one-click auto adjust to get a solid baseline, then tweak any sliders to taste. To instantly change the mood, apply a filter. Choose a style that fits your story, soft and airy, bold and vibrant, or something with a vintage vibe. Then adjust the intensity slider so it complements, not overwhelms, the photo. When you need more powerful edits, explore the advanced tools. Use Magic Eraser to remove unwanted objects, or people simply brush over the distraction and let Canva fill in the background. Magic Expand can extend your image beyond its original borders. Handy for changing the aspect ratio or zooming out to create more breathing room. Background Remover, a pro feature. Cuts out the background with a click. It works best with a clear subject, and you can refine edges with the eraser or restore brush if needed. If your image contains text you want to modify, Grab Text lets you edit that text as if it were a document. For creative color treatments, try duotone or additional filters to craft a unique stylized look. When you are happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp quality, JPG for smaller file size, or PDF if you are preparing a document. Save and you are done. Thanks for watching.